guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to create a simple tic-tac-toe game. Before that, first you want to link your CSS and JavaScript, and now let's create our game board. It contains 9 grids and it contains inside a container. And first let's create our container. Div class container. Now inside this container we are going to create our board. So div class cell, this is the class name, and we also want to give the cell index. Cell index is equal to 0. The first cell index of our grid is 0. Now let's create a 9 grids. So I'm going to copy this. It's 2, 3. Now our first 3 grids are ready. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we want to change our cell index. It's 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now we want to style our grid, so let's go to CSS and container, and it's display is grid, and position is absolute, and grid template column repeat 3 order, and our text align is center, and our font size is 40 px. Okay, and now let's create our board dot cell, and width of our cell is 100 px, and height of our cell is 100 px. Now border is 2 px solid black. Now this is our board, game board, and now we want to make this clickable pointer, cursor pointer on it. So cursor pointer, yeah. And now we are going to JavaScript and write our game logic. First we want to create a variable called cells and bring all our cells in that variable. So const cells equal to document. Before that, array dot from and document dot query selector. It's not query selector, it's query selector all dot cell, our class name. And now we want to create our current player. Let current player equal to x. Now we want to write our win combinations, so let's create a variable called win. So this is the win combinations, and let's create a variable called options to check our winner. So let options equal to 9 spaces. Okay, 1, 2, 3, sorry, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, now this is our options, and now let's start our game. So let's create a function called start game. Function start game. Okay, and inside that function we want to loop over all our cells to make this work and update our current player to this cell. So let's create that cells dot for each and cell dot add event listener click and a function called update cell. Okay, now let's create our update cell. Before that we want to call our function. Okay, now let's create our update cell. Function update cell console.log. Hi, let's check is working or not. Yeah, it's working. Now let's update our cells with current players. So before that we want to create a variable called cell index and set the cell index to that variable. So let cell index is equal to this dot get attribute our cell index. Now update our cell index dot text content equal to current player. Now let's check is this working or not. Yeah, it's working. And now we want to change our current player, so let's create a function called change player. Function change player and write a statement if current player is equal to x, then current player will be O else current player is equal to x. And let's call this function inside our update cell change player. Now let's check it's working or not. X O X O X O X O X. Yeah, it's working now. Okay, now let's create our check winner function. So before that we want to set our option cell index to current player. Options cell index equal to current player. Now let's write our function winner, and let's create a for loop and loop over our win combination. So for let I is equal to 0 and I less than win combination dot length and I plus. Okay, now let's create a variable called condition. The condition is equal to win I. The I will iterate over all our winning combination. So now let's create three variables. So let cell is equal to options and condition 0, and let's copy it okay, and it's cell B and cell C, and this will check our win combination. So this condition 1 and condition 2, and let's write the statement if cell A is equal to empty or cell B or cell C is empty here. Okay, if this is true, then continue. You don't want to execute another code. Okay, now let's check our winner. If cell A is equal to cell B and cell B is equal to cell C, then console.log our winner, current player 1. Okay, now let's check that we want to call the function inside our update cell. Okay, now let's check our winner x or x, yeah, x1. Now our winner is working, our winner function is working. Yeah, or all player 1. Now you can also create a winner score and set the current player to that winner score.text content. Okay, if you like my video, then please subscribe and put a like, and we will see you in a short time. Bye.